This is the Black Stars Diary.
Well, the CAF president will be here shortly to deliver personally his solidarity message to the Black Stars of Ghana. And I can see that this evening in particular, the communications director of the GFA has been busy on his phone, up and down. You know, there's a lot for him to do and a lot for him to put to organize. But any moment from now, the CAF president will be here. Henry, confirmed that for us. And indeed, it's quite busy, and the energy here has suddenly gone up a few notches.
Yes, thank you. It's true. The CAF president, Dr. Patrice Motsepe, will be doing his normal meet and greet this evening here at the Doubletree Hotel. It's something he's been doing since the commencement of the competition. He's been to the camp of Senegal, Cameroon, Morocco, and today is our turn. So we are expecting him in the next 5 minutes or less. As president of the Confederation of African Football, like you indicated, he is here to share a few words with the Black Stars and to motivate the team to go all out against Portugal tomorrow. He has 5 African representatives in the tournament, and it is his wish that all the teams excel at this year's World Cup. That's why he's coming over. He wanted to come on Monday, but due to his schedule, he couldn't make it. So finally, we're expecting him this evening.
It's been very busy for you, and a lot of demand for Black Stars players and the coach. And how have you been able to deal with it? How have you coped with that?
It's not easy. I think human relations is extremely important in situations like this. Even if it is not possible, you need to find a way to communicate politely to whoever is concerned, so that you don't offend the person in one way or the other. I tell you what, even I was just checking on my phone, the emails keep pouring in, the international media, the appeal for and request for interviews is amazing. But we'll find a way to manage. I'm sure since you came, you have not even had your turn yet.
Not yet, but we're home, so we'll wait.
With the players. But I think maybe after tomorrow now, what the coaches do is that on match day -1, they do not want the players to really have, shift their focus from the game. They want them to be fully concentrated, and so there is minimal media engagements. So hopefully, if we are able to finish tomorrow's game successfully, I am very positive about the outcome. I know we are going to win. Once we win, I think it will relax things a bit, and then we'll all be able to serve you.
On that note, I think we should say a big thank you to Henry. You heard it from the communications director. He says we are going to win. I mean, if it's coming from him, that shows you the level of confidence and optimism here in the Black Stars camp.